Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, onto your screen you are watching a very wonderful and the beautiful queen from the Netherlands and her styles in the gown. A really very amazing gown. So watch the video till end, enjoy her ideas of latest and the stylish gowns, and write us in the comment section that which idea you like the best and the most, and from which country and a city you are watching us. And later I'm going to remind you about the subscription of the channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, stay tuned.